Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. I was sent this wig by HerGiven Hair, and I'm going to show you all just how easy and beautiful it is to install it. If you're interested in seeing the most beginner-friendly wig installation, make sure that you stay tuned. Let's jump straight into this headband wig, but first we can unbox this together. HerGiven Hair wig comes packaged so beautifully. I mean, who doesn't love a good, well-packaged box? I love when companies provide good quality packaging for their products. This box is fully equipped with everything that you need. HerGiven Hair provides a satin bag to protect your headband wig when you're not wearing it. They have a wide selection of headbands for you to switch up your style with different looks. These headbands and sleeves are made of good quality fabric that provides good stretch. HerGiven Hair also provided extra combs if you feel like you need more support, as well as an instructional manual on how to prep, install, store, and care for your wig so that it can last you quite a while. You don't want to spend all this money on a wig and then not read the manual to care for your hair the proper way. So make sure you take time and read your manual. Okay, so let's jump straight into this wig. As you can see, the curls is popping. I mean, they are popping through the net. So they put this net on top just to protect the hair, but as I shake it out, you can see that it's so soft. I can run my fingers through it, and I have minimal to no shedding with this curly hair wig. It is so beautiful, soft, and pretty. So this wig already comes with a flat satin headband that comes with 2 Velcro straps on each side. This headband has 4 combs as well, 1 at the top, 2 on each side, and 1 at the nape area of the neck for more support. This headband wig has machine-made wefts, and the stitching is so nice and neat. You don't see a whole bunch of straggly strings hanging all over the place. As well as this headband comes with 2 additional straps on each side if you need it for more support. I reviewed a curly wig by HerGiven Hair over a year ago, and it still lasts me to this day. I know a lot of you all are probably wondering, why would I get a wig the same texture as my hair? But with it being fall and the winter months are coming up, I think this would be a good protective style for me to just let my hair relax a little bit. Although this wig already comes ready to install, I am going to shampoo and condition this wig and let it air dry overnight. So here's the hair. I already washed and conditioned it, and I let it air dry overnight. So this is first day hair. It's still soft and pretty. As you can see, the curls are still there. I had minimal shedding. You're going to have some type of shedding with curly hair. So anyway, but it's nice and soft, so we're going to go ahead and try it on. So for my hair, all I did was wash and condition it, and I have it into 2 buns. I just put the scarf on to lay it down because I did apply some gel to my edges. It's your preference whether or not you want your hair nice and slick or you want it to look really natural. So it's up to you. You don't really have to put gel or anything in your hair, but I did. That's just what I want. Now my buns, of course, it's not cute. They just there. So just my preference. I think it's easier to put the headband on first rather than trying to get the headband over top of the wig and all of that. So if you know which headband you want to wear, I suggest you put that on first. Okay, so here's the wig, and I made sure that it was attached here first, so that way you don't have to worry about the Velcro grabbing onto your hair or snagging onto the wig hair. Here's the comb in the front of the wig, and I'm just going to maybe put it about right here. Now you can do a part if you want a part in your hair or a side part, however you want to do it, but I just didn't. I wanted to make it nice and simple, so I didn't even braid my hair. That's why I just got these 2 buns, and I wanted to make it as simple and quick as possible. And here's the pin, so I'm gonna put it about right here, like that. And now I can adjust the straps if I need it a little tighter, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull it over my first bun and then my second bun. And y'all know I got a big head, and it was able to fit around both of my buns, just like that. And then I'm gonna take my headband and pull it over top of the black strap just to kind of hide it a little bit. Like that. You know what, I should have timed this because this was super quick, like super quick. So this is what my first look looks like with this headband. This is the black headband, and it has a little knot in the front right here, and I'm just using it to cover that headband that came on the wig, but it's pretty, look. Oh yes, this is so cute. Like, oh my goodness, I love this. I love the versatility of this wig. I like how you can change it up, do whatever you want. Let's try another look. Ooh, look at this. Girl, she is a whole cougar. I love this. All right, one more look. Look at this pineapple. OMG. It looks so much like my hair. That's what's blowing my mind. If y'all follow me on Instagram, then you already know. Look at my pictures of my pineapple versus this. Like, you can't even tell the difference. The only way you would know is if you come and touch my scalp. And sis, we ain't playing those type of games. This headband wig by HerGiven Hair is just the boondoggle. You know what? I'm gonna wear this look today. I got a few errands that I need to run. So this is gonna be my style for today. I love it. Let me know in the comment section below which look is your favorite look. I love them all, so I'm going to be rocking them all. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, I'll leave all the information below in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Thanks again so much to HerGiven Hair for sending me this wig. I absolutely love it, okay? I love it, sis. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram as well as HerGiven Hair. This video is not sponsored. Let me put that out there. It's not sponsored, but I just love working with this company. I love the quality of their hair. And you know, I'm going to only hit y'all up with what I love. I'm not going to tell you about something I don't like. Okay? All right. See you in the next one.